Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4 బిందువుల గుండా పోయే వృత్త సమీకరణమును కనుగొనుము. If you observe these 3 points carefully, let us write down given points. A 3, 4, B 3, 2, C 1, 4. Here, if you observe these points, in first 2 points x coordinates are same. In first and last points y coordinates are same. Means slope of AC will be 0, slope of AB will be infinity. Slope of AC M1 equal to 0. Slope of AB M2 equal to infinity. Line having slope 0 will be parallel to x-axis, and line having slope infinity will be parallel to y-axis. So obviously AC perpendicular to AB. So diagrammatically these will be like this. Let us say A 3, 4, C 1, 4 and B 3, 2. B 3, 2. So these 3 will form a right angle triangle. There is a principle in a right angle triangle. The vertex at which 90 degrees angle is maintained will be orthocenter of the triangle, and opposite to that one, whatever you may have, you will be having diagonal. Midpoint of diagonal will be the circumcenter of the circle. What is meant by circumcircle? The circle that passes through these 3 points. That means indirectly he has given the center of our required circle. Let us say our center coordinates D. Here AC perpendicular to AB, therefore triangle ABC is right angle. Right angle. BC is diagonal, or in other words right angled at A. BC is diagonal. Midpoint of BC is center of the circle passing through A, B, C. Therefore, center D equal to midpoint of B and C, 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 2 by 2. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 2, 6 by 2, 3. That is midpoint of diagonal BC, which becomes center of the circle. How? Here the angle is 90 degrees. There is a well-known principle. The angle in the semicircle will be right angle. Therefore, as you are having right angle triangle here and right angle here, this will be center, and this line BC divides the entire circle into 2 equal parts. That is, this segment will be one semicircle and this segment will be other semicircle. So what? You are saying this angle is 90, midpoint of these two will be center, and this triangle is right angle triangle. In a circle, right angled triangle is possible only in semicircle. That means this line BC will become diameter of the circle. Means directly you were given extremities of diameter. B and C will be extremities of diameter. Extremities of diameter. When you were given extremities of diameter, equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. What are x1, y1 and x2, y2? These two. X minus x1, x minus 3 into x minus 1 plus y minus 2 into y minus 4 equal to 0. Expanding x square, I will write down here, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 8 plus 3, 11 equal to 0. That is the equation of required circle passing through these three given points. Ikkada ఈ మూడు బిందువుల గుండా పోయే వృత్త సమీకరణం కావాలి. జాగ్రత్తగా గమనిస్తే మొదటి రెండిటికి x నిరూపకం సమానం, మొదటి దానికి చివరి దానికి y నిరూపకం సమానం. అనగా ఏబి సరళరేఖ ఏసీ సరళరేఖ యొక్క వాలు m1 కనుక్కుంటే 0, ఏబి సరళరేఖ వాలు m2 కనుక్కుంటే ఇన్ఫినిటీ. 0 వాలు ఉన్న సరళరేఖ x అక్షానికి సమాంతరం, ఇన్ఫినిటీ వాలు ఉన్న సరళరేఖ y అక్షానికి సమాంతరం. ఆ సందర్భంలో ఏసీ అనే రేఖ ఏబి అనే రేఖకు ఖచ్చితంగా 90 డిగ్రీల కోణంలో ఉంటుంది. అలాంటప్పుడు ఈ మూడి నుంచి పోయేటటువంటి వృత్త సమీకరణం కావాలి అంటే దాని పటం ఈ మాదిరిగా ఉండే అవకాశం ఉంది. అలాంటి సందర్భంలో ఇక్కడ 90 డిగ్రీలు ఉన్నది అంటే అర్ధవృత్తంలోని కోణము 90 డిగ్రీలు ఉంటుంది అనే సిద్ధాంతాన్ని అనుసరించి ఈ భాగం అర్ధవృత్తం అవుతుంది. ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ భాగం అర్ధవృత్తమైందో ఇది వ్యాసం అవుతుంది. ఇది అంటే బీసీ. బీసీ ఎప్పుడైతే వ్యాసమైందో బి మరియు సి బిందువులు వ్యాసాగ్రాలు అవుతాయి. వ్యాసాగ్రాలు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వృత్త సమీకరణం కనుక్కోవటానికి సూత్రం ఇది. దానిలో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే విస్తరించి వ్రాసినప్పుడు ఆ వృత్తము యొక్క సమీకరణం ఈ రూపంగా లభ్యమవటం జరిగింది. Find the equation of the circle passing through 0 0 and making intercepts 4 and 3 on x and y axis respectively. 0 0 బిందువు గుండా పోతూ నిరూపకాక్షాలపై 4 మరియు 3 అంతర్ఖండములను ఏర్పరిచే వృత్త సమీకరణమును కనుగొనుము. అది మనం చేయాల్సినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం. What is the meaning of this one? Here is a circle. Let us draw the diagram. On this, our circle is passing through 0 0 and making intercepts 4 and 3. This length is 4 and this length is 3. What is its equation? న్యాయంగా in normal case the procedure that we adopt is we will assume the circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Passing through 0 0 we will substitute length of x intercept 4, length of y intercept 3. By applying the formula we will find out the equation. But here not necessary. It is passing through 0, 0 on x-axis. It is making intercept of length 4 units, means definitely this point will be 4, 0. And length of y-intercept, let us say this is A, this is B. Length of y-intercept is 3, means coordinates of B will be 0, 3. This is right angle. Angle between x-axis and y-axis is always 90 degrees. So, if you connect or join these 2 points, this will be a semicircle and this is another part of the semicircle. When AOB is becoming semicircle, what does it mean? A and B are extremities of diameter. Angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. A 40, B 03. Because length of x-intercept, this length is 4 means this is 40. This length is 3 means this is 03. Now, equation of this circle through AOB is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. X minus x1, x minus 4 into x minus x2, x minus 0. Y minus 0 into y minus 3 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 3y equal to 0 is the required circle equation. Here are extremities of diameter. Extremities of diameter. How can you judge this one? Because we are having 90 degrees angle. All the 3 points are lying on the circle. So, definitely this will be diagonal for the triangle AOB. When this is diagonal and angle is 90 degrees, 90 degrees angle is possible in semicircle only. Obviously, these 2 points will become extremities of the diameter. Hence, when you know extremities of diameter, you can apply the formula to find out equation of the circle, which is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0, where x1, y1 are 4 and 0, x2, y2 are 0 and 3 respectively. Therefore, by applying that formula, we will be able to get the equation of the required circle as x square plus y square minus 4x minus 3y equal to 0. Here you can observe one point. In any circle equation, if the constant term is not appearing, then you can take up that circle as that is a circle which passes through origin. C, the term C won't be 0, or in other words, C will become 0. Next problem, show that the locus of the point of intersection of the lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to A and x sin alpha minus y cos alpha equal to B. X sin alpha minus y cos alpha equal to B is a circle. is a circle. I repeat, show that the locus of the point of intersection of the lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to a, x sin alpha minus y cos alpha equal to b is a circle. తెలుగు మీడియంలో ఏమిటి? x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to a, x sin alpha minus y cos alpha equal to b. సరళ రేఖల ఖండన బిందువు యొక్క బిందు పదము ఒక వృత్తం అవుతుందని చూపండి. Here in first year you might have learned about this one. To find out locus, there is a process which is called elimination of common parameter. ఉమ్మడి పరామితిని లోపింపజేస్తే ఆ రెండు వక్రముల లేదా సరళ రేఖల లేదా జ్యామితీయ చిత్రముల ఖండన బిందువు యొక్క బిందు పదం వస్తుంది అనేది మనం మొదటి సంవత్సరంలో నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఉమ్మడి పరామితి కామన్ పారామీటర్. వాట్ ఈస్ కామన్ పారామీటర్? ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ కామన్ పారామీటర్. సో టు ఎలిమినేట్ ఆల్ఫా, స్క్వేరింగ్ అండ్ యాడింగ్, స్క్వేరింగ్ అండ్ యాడ్. 1 మరియు 2 సమీకరణములను ఇరువైపులా వర్గము చేసి కలుపగా. సో వాట్ విల్ యు గెట్? x cos alpha plus y sin alpha whole square plus x sin alpha minus y cos alpha whole square equal to a square plus b square. X square into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus y square into sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 2xy sin alpha cos alpha minus 2xy sin alpha cos alpha. These two cancelled over. X square plus y square equal to how much, sir? A square plus b square. No doubt that equation represents a circle with center 0 0 and radius root of a square plus b square. Center 0 0, radius root of a square plus b square, which is a circle. Which is a circle. Next one. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle passing through 1 1 minus 6 0 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 8. Find the equation of the circle passing through these 4 points. బిందువుల గుండా పోయే వృత్త సమీకరణమును కనుగొనుము. ఈ 4 బిందువులు. The same problem can be questioned as show that the 4 points are concyclic. ఈ దిగువనీయబడిన బిందువులు చక్రీయములని చూపండి. ఇలా కూడా అడగచ్చు. చక్రీయములు అంటే all the points are lying on the circumference of the circle. So how to do this one? Here let the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Since it passes through 1 comma 1, substituting 2g plus 2f plus c equal to minus 2. Since it passes through minus 6 comma 0. Substituting minus 12g plus 0 plus c equal to minus 36. Since it passes through minus 2, 2. Substituting in this minus 4g plus 4f plus c equal to minus 4 plus 4, 8. Let us solve these three equations for G, F, C. I will take up first and third equation. Multiply first equation with 2. What will you get? Sorry, 2f is here, 4f is here. I want to eliminate f term. Multiply this one with 2. 4g plus 4f plus 2c equal to minus 4. Minus 4g plus 4f plus c equal to minus 8. Then subtracting, this will become plus, minus, minus, plus. 4g plus 4g, 8g. This term cancelled over. 2c minus c, c. Minus 4 plus 8, 4. Already we are having one equation in terms of g and c. Let us write down minus 12g plus c equal to minus 36. 8g plus c equal to 4. Again subtracting. Minus 20g equal to minus 40. G equal to 2. Substituting g value in this equation, 8g plus c equal to 4. 16 plus c equal to 4. C equal to minus 12. G value, C value. And F value we have to find out. Substitute these two values in first equation. 2g, 2 2s are 4 in 1. Here in 3. Not in 3, this one. Let us name this one as 4. In 4. In 1, 2 2s are 4. 2f we don't know. Plus c, that is minus 12 equal to minus 2. 2f equal to 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. F equal to 3. Therefore, our circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx, that is 4x, 2fy, 6y, minus 12 equal to 0. Let us substitute the fourth point in this one. If it is satisfied, we can say all the 4 points are lying on the circle only. Substituting, what will you get? 4, 64, 4, 64, 68, 68 minus 8, 60, 60 minus 48, 12, 12 minus 12, 0. Here you can write down minus 2 minus 8 lies on the circle because S11 equal to 0, that is by substitution. So, what is the required circle equation? X square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. As homework, you take up this problem. Find the equation of the circle through or passing through 1, 2, 3 minus 4 and 5 minus 6. In the same model, you try to work out this problem at home. Today, we shall conclude with this problem. In the next session, we shall continue with few more problems. Thank you.